Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to increase the mouse DPI for gaming in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to proceed at the button search bar and here, please type for control panel. Once you have typed it, please proceed with the best match, go with open to continue. Here at the control panel window, if your window or view doesn't look like this, please proceed at the upper right side of the screen, go with view by and set it into large icons. Once you're done, please locate for mouse. So just locate for it. In my case, I have seen it here running or being placed aligning with the second row. So click on it. The moment you do that, you would be able to open the small window called mouse properties. The moment you have opened it, you can now close your control panel so that you can focus on this small window called mouse properties. So it's being consist of four options, which are buttons, pointers, pointer options, and hardware. So under the buttons, don't change anything. And here, you need to proceed with pointer options. Here as well as the pointer, don't change anything as well. And please proceed directly to the pointer options. Now, in order to change or increase the mouse DPI of your mouse, you need to proceed with motion. Okay? So here in the motion, the catch is please don't drag that nearly slow or don't drag that to the slow one. So just select to very fast or nearly fast. Okay? Again, select for very fast or nearly fast because the moment you've dragged it slower, as you can see, my mouse cursor will move slowly as well. Okay? So the motion of my mouse pointer as well will be moving slowly. So it's very important to move that here at the nearly fast or fast. Okay? You can also go with the here. Okay, anyway, they have a mark here where you can categorize what SSP that you'd like to. Once you're done, please click on apply. Okay, and once you're applied it, click on OK. And in that way, you would be able to increase the mouse DPI here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So hopefully this video helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.